Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Messenger on your phone or Messenger. Com in a browser. Tap your profile icon to access settings. This gives you the filters and controls you need. Once done, go straight to privacy or message requests so you can inspect messages that didn't appear in your inbox. You do this because Messenger separates unknown or restricted contacts to protect your main feed. Finding them here avoids missing important messages while keeping unwanted chat out of sight. Next, tap Message Requests and scan both the primary and the See Filtered Messages or Spam sections. Restricted chats often land there. You should also check any hidden or restricted lists under Privacy settings because moving a contact there removes their visibility from your inbox. If you know the sender, use the search bar to pull up buried threads quickly. Doing this helps you locate messages without unrestricting contacts you still want limited, and it speeds recovery of important notes. Finally, open the restricted thread and tap the info or eye icon to unrestrict or allow messages. That restores normal delivery. You can confirm the change by sending a brief reply or by checking that future messages appear in your inbox. If you still can't find messages, update Messenger, clear the app cache, or sign out and back in. These steps often resolve sync or display issues. If problems persist, check that you're using the correct account and retry the search and privacy checks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.